Hi everyone and welcome back to Homeheadchef. Today we're making roasted cauliflower and cheddar soup. Now for the soup we're going to be using an aged sharp cheddar. It's going to really add a nice depth into the soup. We're going to be roasting the cauliflower, which is going to add another element to the flavor as well. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 450 degrees. Now let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. We're going to start by roasting the cauliflower. For that we need one small head of cauliflower cut into florets, a few tablespoons of olive oil, and some salt and pepper. We're going to start by drizzling our cauliflower with a few tablespoons of olive oil, a few good cracks of salt and pepper. We're going to toss this. We're going to put it on a sheet pan, and we're going to go into our oven for about 20 to 30 minutes or until it's lightly golden brown. While the cauliflower is roasting, we're going to work on the rest of the soup, and for that we need 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 medium onion diced, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 teaspoon of thyme chopped, 3 cups of chicken stock or vegetable stock if you would prefer, 1.5 cups of aged white cheddar, and 1 cup of milk. We're going to start by heating up a few tablespoons of olive oil over a medium-high heat. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to go in with our onions. We're going to saute these for about 4 to 5 minutes or until they are translucent. Then in with our garlic and our thyme. We're going to saute this for about another minute. Then in with our chicken stock. This is going to help deglaze the pan. We're going to bring this up to a simmer. We got some nice color on our cauliflower. We're going to add this into our soup, and we are going to cover it, and we're going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes. We're going to check the consistency of our cauliflower with a fork. It goes right in and breaks apart. Now we're going to blend this. I'm going to use an immersion blender. If you're going to use a stand blender, just do it in batches and be careful because it is hot. Now depending on the consistency and if you want chunks of the cauliflower in your soup, is going to determine how long that you blend it. Once you get it to the consistency you're looking for, we're going to slowly add in our cheese a little bit at a time until it is completely melted. Once the cheese is completely melted, we're going to go in with our milk. We're going to heat this up for about another minute or two. Alright, that's looking fantastic. Let's get a taste and adjust the seasoning. It's good. Definitely needs a few cracks of salt and pepper. And I'll meet you back over at the cutting board. Our soup is done. It looks amazing. We're going to plate it. Got my bowl here. I'm going to fill it up nice and full. Now we're going to garnish it. I'm going to top mine with some more white cheddar cheese and some fresh chives. And then we'll get a taste. Let's dig in. Oh, that's amazing. Get a nice roasty element in the soup that comes from roasting the cauliflower. It's a nice sharpness in there from the aged white cheddar cheese. It's a really good bowl of soup to warm you up on a nice cold winter day. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I have an outdoor channel as well, and I'll drop a link for that in the description. I also have a Patreon if you wish to support the channel. There'll be a link for that in the description as well. Thank you. We'll see you in the next one.